Hello there, I am really excited because today I will be installing this Nest Yale door lock in my home. This one is for personal use. I've installed plenty of these for other people, but today I will be installing it in my own home. And one of the reasons is I want to be completely familiar with this product because it is a service that we offer. So if you need any help in the installation of your Wi-Fi controlled door lock, give us a call, leave us a message, and we will get this awesome Wi-Fi controlled door lock installed for you. Neat features of this is you can open your door from anywhere remotely with your phone, or with a passcode. You can give someone a passcode, a temporary passcode, to enter your home for an emergency or any issues that may arise. So without further ado, let's get started in the installation of this Nest Yale door lock. Okay, we're gonna hook up the Nest Connect, and this is how your lock will work. You need to have this connected. So found a close outlet, an outlet close by, and hook that up. Okay, next we're going to remove the lock from the box. Oh, it's the instructions. Nest Yale lock installation guide. So these are all the things that come with it. But let's get right to it. And this is the actual keypad. Nice. Okay, here we are in the Nest app. I have it pulled up here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on entryway, and it says my door is unlocked. So if I want to lock it from anywhere, I just hold this button and it's locking, and there it is. The door is now locked. I can't get in, and if I need to unlock it, I just hold this down, it's unlocked. There you go. It's a very handy tool. Has many purposes. One of the things though is I have a keyed entry, so that if I lock this by mistake, I won't be able to get in without a key. So that's an issue to consider. You may want to change this to just a regular passage knob, but if you want to keep it an entry lock, you got to make sure you don't lock yourself out with that. But yeah, there it is. I'm really excited with this lock, and it also keeps a record of every time the door is opened, which is a history. It's a very it keeps the days and the history, so it's a very handy tool to have at your disposal for many reasons. Hopefully that helps you, and if you need help with the installation of this, give me a call and we'll be glad to help you.